Hey guys, it is me, and I'm just here to say a quick hi and to say bienvenue sur une parole Kweyol et excusez-moi parce que it is not 2008, but away with that. Je te promets que m'a fait un petit vidéo, un bagage comme ça, et beaucoup de gens pour rien. So, excusez-moi, donc si je malade semaine passée. Yeah. Et puis, il m'a fait mieux. I'm malade for one shoe, for des jours. Yeah, but I was really in bad shape. So anyway, and then I did make videos that I promised that I would make 4 weeks ago, but unfortunately I went to a party and my friend was like, "Bring your computer so we can use it to play music," and yeah, as could have been predicted, our guest or her guest broke my computer. So now I'm computerless and I'm using my sister's computer and it's such a drag. So it's very slow, so I can't do much and I do not want to subject myself to editing videos on that computer. I tried to edit a 2 minute video and it was a death sentence. So I had to surround her. So that's where I'm at, and I'll be going home within the next 2 to 3 weeks to come, so I'll get my computer fixed. But as of right now, I cannot even use my computer. And one thing, please excuse the distracting, the level of distraction in here with all the frying noise. That's the computer. It's an old computer, but I'm so thankful that we have that computer because I'm taking online classes as of right now. And if we didn't have this spare computer, I would have been dead. So I'm very thankful, but it does make a lot of noise, frying noise, because it's an old computer. Um, so what else do I want to say? Everything is going strong. I'm still thinking about things. Yeah, I have too much lip gloss on. I'm still thinking about things, ideas to share on the channel, and I have so many things just going through my head, but I cannot post yet because I have my camera, which I can post on, which I can record on with, but what's the point of recording if I don't have somewhere to download those videos to? And I don't want to download so much. I don't want to record too much, and then I'm not able to edit. And I don't. I much rather start fresh and anew when my computer is fixed because I don't want to have a pile of work waiting on me. Excuse my phone. I don't want to have. Okay, sorry, I had to reply to that. Um, so anyway, that's why I don't have many more things going on. And so once my computer is fixed, I will bring more things to the table to discuss with you guys, to share with you guys. I keep reading. I haven't been reading much, but I'm trying to read a couple of books. Right now I don't have all of them near me, so I can't really share with you. But I've read one book, plus I'm reading all my textbooks and stuff like that. So currently I'm reading this one. Okay, so I'm reading this book currently. It's a small book. I did not fold the edges like this. Oh my god. I was taught not to do this to books. So my friend lent me this book, so she did the folding of the edges. That's very, I don't find it attractive. That's why we have markers, pencil, pens, to highlighters to highlight the books. We don't have to destroy it like this. I don't know if you can see. I'm picky about books. I don't do that. And then she gave me like a pile of books, and then I dropped a few of them because there were so many. She was crying, and I'm like, dude, look at what you did to your books, dropping them. Yeah. Anyway, so um, I haven't started reading that much. I just read the introductions and all the rumbling that the author does, or publisher does, whatever. But I can't wait to get started. It seems like it's going to be a very um, involving story, um, um, or enthralling. So I can't wait to get reading. But I have a real bad habit. That's actually why I got sick, because if I get a good book, I can spend like all my nights going through like I'm terrible. So I have to be careful. So I've been trying. Maybe I should wait until my class is over, and then I can spend all my days and nights reading books. But for now, I'm really trying to stay away. Um, so what else do I want to say? What else? I don't know. I feel like this is boring. It's getting long, and I'm not really saying anything substantial or anything worth listening to, right? But hey, this is my channel, so if I want to have a whole conversation that's worthless, priceless, I can have it, right? Mwah. Right? Yes. Love you too. Poser, meu, pour toujours, yeah. So that's that. Nothing is going on. I'm taking 2 online classes. I wish I were not to be taking them. Actually, I'm happy to be taking them. I have all the time. I mean, I do have deadlines, which I'm happy about, because if I didn't have them, I would procrastinate till the very last night. So that keeps me, in check, to do my work. I still do it at the very last night, but at least I'm getting it done, and I'm staying on point with the workload. Um, what else is going on? I am very stressed and sort of depressed. Well, not sort of depressed. Um, extensively depressed. Um, but I find that to be very unusual because um, there is a lot of sun. I'm usually depressed in the winter. I like completely dived into a dormant mode, But this is summertime and there's beautiful sunshine, the heat. I love the heat. I love feeling hot. I love being outside. But I haven't really been appreciating and taking advantage of that, which is making me 10 times more depressed. And right now it's only the beginning of July, like the 4th of July, and I'm already thinking in winter. I'm already like, oh my god, winter is gonna be so cold and blah 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 blah. So that's how depressed I am. I can't even be in the present. I'm already thinking of like how terrible winter is gonna be. So obviously I already have a predetermined um, mindset of what winter will be like. So that's it for me. I'm gonna be extremely depressed, even though I'll be like spending a whole month and a half of that in Haiti. Yes, Haiti. So anyway, thanks. Okay. That's the last book I get for now. Hopefully. So, what else? One other thing, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm posting it, and I'm gonna post it, and when I feel like deleting it, if I feel like deleting it, I'll delete it. But I moved to a new house. Okay, so now I have a new house. It's nice. It's very comfortable. It's I'll give a tour. I never gave a tour of my other house, which was a single apartment, quite big, but I hated it because it was as if I were living under a bridge or just outside. Like I lived right across from the train, the cargo train, which was the worst thing ever. It would take 30 minutes for that thing to go completely from my apartments, and all the traffic, all the accidents, all the ambulance firefighters, all sort of sirens, you hear it, all sorts of motorcycles, people showing up, everything, you hear it. I watch people getting arrested, I get people getting pulled over for DUI, um, everything, you named it, and I could watch it right from my window. Um, so I'm so happy to be out of there. I hated it because the windows were in the bedroom, no windows in the kitchen, and I hated it. So now we have a better place, and I live with my sister. This is our first time living together, just the two of us alone. So yeah, we've been enjoying. We've been eating a lot of sugar. Yeah, we had like a whole bin of sugar, and it's like almost halfway down, just between the two of us. FYI. Yeah. Oh, it's TMI. I said FMI. Okay. Okay. Effing much information. How about that? No, but TMI. So we've been eating a lot of sugar. We've been drinking. We've been having parties. We've been having friends. We've been having sleepovers. It's just a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm so happy. So we have a two-bedroom place, and we have a large living room area, and we have a dining room, and we have a nice open kitchen, which I didn't have before. And my sister had a kitchen in her apartment, but I don't know. So hopefully we'll be able to. It's been going well. It's been going well, and it's been going really, really super, super well. So that's nice. That's very, very nice. What else is going on? Really, am I gonna ramble on for like the next 2 hours? 2 hours? I think I'm about to. So anyway, let me not do that because I have homework to do. Okay. So I've been talking at least for the next 12 minutes. So confirmed by my last text or previous text sent. Very first text sent since I've been recording. So I'm for sure gonna upload this. I know it's just a terrible video. What is this? Who's gonna listen to it? Nobody. But you know what? I felt like talking to my computer. Excuse me. This is just tea. Because I have a cold, I cough, I sneeze, I blow my nose, and it helps me soften up my whatever. All the cords that are here, my vocal cord, my whatever cord it is, I do not know. It's really been helping me. It's really been helping me. So that's that. I'll talk to you later. Much love. Lamu 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 if you waited until this very end. So I love you guys. Beaucoup l'amour et n'a pas l'hôpital mi ordinateur pour faire vidéo et pour dialoguer, passer idée avant, danser, partager musique, tout bagaille comme ça. Base poser, tout bagaille normal, n'a pas l'hôpital. Ok? Au revoir.